Today we have the 2023 MG ZS. This vehicle has done just under 24,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a fully electric motor. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, as well as our automatic headlights. On the right, we have voice control. Moving on to our screen, we can access AC, video, users and our vehicle settings, navigation, radio, charging, and Apple and Android CarPlay. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with a 360 camera with parking sensors. Just below we have our mode button. From here we can switch between our 3 different driving modes: Eco, Normal and Sport. As we go into the back, we can see that it has a full leather black interior.